Welcome. In the next few minutes, you will learn how to see who liked you on Tinder without having to pay for Tinder Gold. There is a workaround that lets you see who likes you on Tinder without paying for a premium subscription. It involves downloading an app called Tinder. Tinder is a modified version of Tinder with several additional features, including the ability to see who likes you. However, keep in mind that using modified versions of apps like Tinder comes with risks. These versions are not authorized by the official app developers and might compromise your security or violate Tinder's terms of service, potentially leading to account suspension. If you decide to proceed, understand and accept these risks. There are two ways to download Tinder. The first is to download it directly to your phone through their official website. This method costs $15 per month. The second method is completely free and involves downloading an app called TuTuApp. TuTuApp is a third-party app store that offers paid apps for free, including Tinder. If you have an iPhone, you will need to jailbreak it to download TuTuApp. Jailbreaking your phone means bypassing its security restrictions to install apps from sources other than the official Apple App Store. Jailbreaking can void your warranty and expose your device to security risks, so it's important to weigh these factors carefully before proceeding. To jailbreak your iPhone, you'll need to find a reliable jailbreaking tool compatible with your iOS version. Once you've jailbroken your phone, or if you have an Android, you can download TuTuApp. After downloading and installing TuTuApp, open it and search for Tinder. Tap the download button to install it on your device. Once the installation is complete, open Tinder and log in using your Facebook account or phone number. If you don't already have a Tinder account, you'll need to create one. When creating a new account, ensure you set your preferred age range and location preferences to match your dating criteria. Now you need to be patient and allow some time for people to like your profile. With Tinder, you will see a list of blurry pictures of people who have liked your profile. Click on the blurry picture to reveal the person's full profile. This method lets you see who liked you without needing to pay for Tinder Gold. Remember that using Tinder or similar apps comes with inherent risks, and it's crucial to proceed with caution. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more tutorials.